It's true that our policy makers at the administration level are from civil service background, certain educational, load that they carry with them. And the politicians are typically from grassroots. And now, of course, we have a new breed of politicians coming up. But your question is important because for a long time, the professionals had left politics to others. And as a result, we did develop a political class which may not have that sort of background that you have as administrators. But they are smart and they understand where votes come from. And what is very different today is that, and there's a certain lag. In fact, your question is very important because they believe that the votes are in rural areas. Actually, more and more Indians are moving to towns and cities. More and more voters are younger. And more voters are impatient. They are not going to take lame excuses. And more of them are connected with what's happening in the rest of the world. So and our media blows everything into, it's like a magnifying glass. You step the wrong way and they show you what you've done. So this particular election is happening in the context of all of this. So this will be a good test. I have no doubt that the politicians will then learn which way India is moving, and they will have to move with that. So I am, again, in the long haul, I think it's the least bad system of governance that we have, this democracy of ours. It does show all the blots, for everyone to see, but I'd much rather have it that way than live where I have to get a permit and move to a city and not know whether I'm a first-class citizen or a second-class citizen. So that would be the answer to your question.